going on YouTube? Welcome back to Beemer Fam. You guys join us out here at GT House. We just straight piped, fully straight piped the X5M competition F95. As you've seen in yesterday's video, got the full exhaust fitted on the car. Everything is looking and sounding amazing. 4-inch Meister shaft exhaust tip, downpipe from MAD, a race chip tune, even cherry intake under the front bonnet, full carbon fiber in the whole engine bay. And then we also have my M4 F82, RX-7. We have a few of GT House's personal cars, including the brand new G99 M5 pouring. Beautiful Ruby Star. It's the only one in the world in this color. And we're also taking out brand new GT3 RS 992. So not only do we have these cars, but we also have more M cars showing up. And today we're gonna be taking all these cars to a few car events in the Chicago, Illinois area. That's right, we are in Chicago. You getting them shots, huh? Feeling good with that new exhaust?
Man, cut the sound bite.
I guess they put a new prototype exhaust on the GT3 RS, so it'll be really nice to hear that today. You can see the interior of the G99. Shout out to Brent. The nice silver sewn seats, carbon interior. The ambient lighting in these cars, crazy. Obviously these are hybrid as well. Looks like we got one of the guys pulling in, G82. Bucket seats in this car, so I like the hood, fenders. Wheels look good too. Trying to convince D-Ran to pick up another M5. He had the V10. He's got the 6 Series right now, as you guys have seen. But it's time for him to jump in F90. I know you plotting on something there. You see something that just pulled up?
I know what you're talking about, buddy.
Sure.
They coming.
Universe, I think, saying something there, boy.
What's going on?
Another F90 pulling. Yeah. We're shopping, huh? Dang, balance. Oh, it's got MAD on the exhaust. Got the gap cam on this one.
Yup.
Which one you taking, white or gray?
White.
Ooh, okay. Yeah, I can see it. How do you feel about the heritage badges? Or would you rock the originals?
I personally prefer originals, but
yeah,
I don't dislike the heritage badge, you know.
It's like a whole bunch of carbon down here. Third time's charm? Third time's the charm. 90
Third time's the charm.
Wow. Yeah. Very nice comp. Just keep coming, huh? Another F90 pulling up. As you can see, we're back in the GT House facilities. The X5M was right here in this lift getting the full exhaust installed. And if you guys want a full tour of this facility, it's definitely the most impressive automotive facility I've ever seen in my life. And I've seen quite a few at this point. Check out the last video of the installation of the exhaust on the X5M. But you can see just some crazy cars that they have here of R34 GTRs. This one's a V-Spec, nice 911 Dakar. You just have exhaust systems laying out everywhere. I mean, look at all this. Apparently they put that prototype exhaust on that GT3 RS. I think this is our X5M exhaust. We got some nice pieces set out on display. A whole bunch of different design of exhaust tips too. We got like matte black, carbon fiber. They all have that iconic slat down the middle, even titanium on the tips. Got wheels too. I'm gonna have my dad getting his first experience in a GT3, and it's gonna be a 992 GT3 RS, which is a very cool first experience for a 911 GT3. First stop is Cars and Coffee. Stop inside the car, down the road. Cameraman better not sleep on this. But before we continue on with today's video, we get to install a quick modification on our BMW F33 series, thanks to the sponsor of today's video, which is Hawk Glow. Unfortunately, our F30 came with the old and dated halogen headlights from factory, which make the presence of the car look severely dated and even dangerous to drive at night. To fix this, Hawk Glow was nice enough to send out their H7 LED bulb. These things are clean. 6500K pure white, plug and play, very well crafted, and CAN bus ready, so no annoying error codes on the dash. For a quick installation, just pop out the headlight and open up the internals, then remove the dated and old halogen bulb and slide in the new Hot Glow LEDs for a super snug fit. Looking at the before and after, it appears that the Hot Glows are performing better than the high beams, making for a much safer driving experience at night. And from the exterior, the F30 now looks much newer and updated, but most importantly safer to drive. I've been dailying with these for about a week, zero flicker, no glare for other drivers, and they just elevate the entire front end and make the car look much newer. And that is why I highly recommend Hot Glow for those who are interested in keeping that clean OEM look while vastly improving the driving dynamics of your car without installing cheap or ugly aftermarket headlights, which is especially great for those newer drivers out there. So if you are interested in getting yourself or a loved one some Hot Glow LEDs, I'll leave all links in the description. Be sure to keep an eye out for any discount codes to save yourself or a loved one some money. And with that being said, let's go ahead and continue on with today's POV drive. We are on the way. What a great way to start the day.
BMW stuff right here.
Big BMW stuff.
Damn. Oh my goodness, the lineup is crazy today. I love it. A lot of V8s.
Yeah, I'm with him.
Whoa, G8.
Yeah. Oh, the boys. Nah, I can see this.
Damn, dude, the X5M sounds crazy. Came across a couple G80s, Voodoo Blue on that
We're gonna light this up.
I'm sure my dad has loved that GT3.
He peeling that GT3. Dad in there probably having a ball right now. Flew up on them boys quick.
Wow. To the meet right now, man. Our convoy is lit. We had a whole nother group join us on the way. We got some more colors in the mix too. Got the M4 parked up. Most of the group is over here in the same area. What'd you think about that drive, man?
It's my first convoy.
Got the X5M comp right here. Oh, he's popping the hood on him.
Even Terry Twin.
Man, the squad rolling in today. Chicago's holding it down, man. Shout out to Chicago right now. This is crazy. Got wide body Supras, Voodoo Blue, Silverstone buckets. Super clean. More G80s red buckets on that one. Bro, this car meet is massive. Look at all these people. This is pretty cool. I ain't gonna lie. Love the color on this X3M. I think that's individual with Sao Paulo yellow. E38 clean too. 7 series. Yeah, GTS. C-Tie V2 would look similar. You get what I'm saying? We got the Atlantis blue looking E30, super clean. A crazy color on the McLaren 650S. Agile.
Where's that at?
Ford's got a little ouchie right there. Man, Venador S though. Doors going up. 750S.
That's coming soon.
That's crazy.
That's my spec.
That's what you
That's
need.
my purple on the
Bro. That is crazy. Nice CT3 RS too. Nice little M8 action. Nice little vibe. A nice SV Roadster with an elite license plate right there. The Miami Blue Gang here is strong. Cullinan out here is very nice spec on that. The wheel, everything about that. It's just baller. This is a pretty cool combination. Revuelto with Viper ACR. That and black on these is definitely my favorite spec. I was like, little man here is about to get blown out. Holy though. Oh my gosh. Another Ferrari. Man, I got the underglow on the STO. Titanium exhaust. Oh my god! Oh my god! Not him rolling the window back up. Man, seeing more and more of these hoods, bro. Come on, man. Come on, man. With the blue too?
Lights.
675 LT Spiders, man. Look at the seats. Oh my god. Yeah, I don't want those problems.
Not at all.
X3M is nice.
That thing is beautiful. Yeah.
It's about bigger than your head, Ty. The turbo.
Bro, that turbo.
Whoop, 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 whoop. whoop, whoop, whoop.
She ain't catching nobody.
Go ahead, there, partner. Go spit your game in there, boy.
Yeah. That police officer ain't catching.
Oh, look, another one. Got the paparazzi back out. 812. Super nice. That is clean, dude.
Oh man, I took the getting in the ring route.
Yeah. Wow, this thing just folds up a full exposed carbon fiber Super Trofeo Evo 2. Wow.
That is insane.
Legitimate race car on the street. Bro said, he said, I'm gonna slap plates on a race car and pull up to the car in the car. Absolutely insane. We're gonna hop back inside the ends and enjoy the rest of the day. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Check us out on Instagram at Beemer Fam. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.